How to fix Snapchat camera permission problem. Now, if your Snapchat is facing a camera permission problem, normally when you open up Snapchat and it may ask you to access a camera, during that pop-up you have to set it to allow. If you select don't allow, it won't be able to use a camera for taking snaps or even video calls. Now, in order to solve this, what we're going to do is we're simply going to launch the settings app on our Android phone. Now, on iPhone, you can go to privacy and security. On Android, I'll go to apps, and from the list of apps, I'll simply search for Snapchat. Now, from Snapchat, what I'll do is I'll go to this option called storage usage, and I can clear the cache files and I can also clear the data, but that will likely log me out of my account. Then once I've done that, we have to go to the option called permissions. From permissions, look for camera and make sure to select this to allow while using the app, because if your camera permission is set to not allow, it might not be able to access your camera permissions quite well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.